Welcome to Eden View Living, where we do everything home and garden. So if you've been following me for some time now, you know I've been in the process of designing our back garden and I've done most of the work myself. I've absolutely enjoyed the process, though it was difficult but very enjoyable. We are now at a time where we're able to now enjoy the garden as a family. But today I've thought just to show you what our front garden is looking like. So we've kept our front garden fairly simple with a lot of evergreen shrubs. And we've also put in some gravel just to reduce our lawn. We've got a very huge lawn to the other side, which is out of view, but we've just kept that place graveled up and the little design that we've put in there, which I think looks really pretty. I'm thinking of adding a bit of more color this season. We only have some roses which are red in color and a hydrangea in that pot. So I'm thinking of adding a bit of more perennial plants which will come back every year. Purples and reds and yellows, that's what I'm thinking, just to add a bit of more interest. When most of the perennial plants have died down, we're still able to enjoy our front garden. So guys, this is what our front garden looks like. I hope this can be an inspiration to you if you're thinking of designing your own garden. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, ta-da!